So we done disappointed and angry and vexed and confused already by that disjointed and pitchy-patchy performance by the Reggae Boys in their first of 2 friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia. And although we understand that the team has not been together for almost a year, and some of the ball of them literally not playing no football, the tree love still hot. The good thing though is that there is another game tomorrow, and Coach Tapper Whitmore and his team can make amends. And look, I still think there is enough quality in that Jamaica squad to qualify for the World Cup. It's just for the coach to set up the team smartly and get them to execute. I have one request of Coach Tapper Whitmore though. One massive request. May I beg you, Coach, for Jamaica's sake, for this second game tomorrow, may I beg you, Coach, from the squad you have in Saudi Arabia, please try and pick Jamaica's best possible team. Yeah, man. Start the best possible 11 and play the ball at them in them right position. Yes. Just approach it like it's the World Cup qualifier start tomorrow. And we are playing against Mexico or USA or Costa Rica. And this is the squad you have available. For once in your life, Tapper, may I beg you, pick the best Jamaican 11. Yes. Jamaican football fans literally dying to see you do that, Tapper. Please. And thanks, Coach. We talk tomorrow.